first one, is it scary?
I'm very nervous, but I'm confident.
She's in good hands.
She's in good, very, very good hands.
Oh my god, fuck! Wow, how am I still alive? I'm scary as hell. Felt like I was possessed for a second.
Wrote a little verse about the art of chiropractic adjustments of the back. Got you feeling magic, feeling lit, feeling light, feeling fantastic. Wanna get cracked up? You can have it. Got you feeling good, got you feeling good, got you feeling, got you feeling good, 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 got you spinning like a gyro. Got you feeling good, 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 got you spinning like a gyro.
Denise has a little bit of neck tightness that tends to act up when she wakes up in the morning. And then through the evaluation, we found an area of spasm in the low back as well. So we'll address that, and mid-back tightness along that right trap and shoulder blade. So, all right, well, let's go face down. Okay, let's rest your arms down. Okay, so we're going to start right through here. So I'm going to rotate the head this way a
Let
little.
me take off my glasses.
Yeah, here, I can put them up here.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Rotate through here.
Oh my god.
Good. Barely pressed and it's already moving. Okay, let's take a deep breath in. Exhale all the way. Another deep breath. Exhale all the way here. Good. Doing okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let's lay on this side for me. Mm-hmm. Just want to bring this leg all the way up. This one nice and straight. And yeah, just like that. And then bring your arm, your left arm, bring that to the side. There we go. Your arms are gonna go just like this here. Good. This leg's gonna go nice and straight. Good. This arm's gonna come down. There we go. Okay. And let's exhale all the way. How'd you do with that?
That was good. That felt nice.
Good. Let's go ahead and flip over onto your other side. Keep that leg nice and straight. Yeah, just like that. Perfect. This one's gonna come down. Okay. And exhale all the way. Good.
That was good. Oh my god.
Alright, let's flip over onto your back. Okay. Just want to go on the left side first, right through here.
Wow, how am I still alive?
What'd that feel like?
That felt very intense, but in a good way.
Yeah.
It didn't hurt or anything. It just caught me off. The noise caught me off guard. I was like, oh my god.
Always a little shocking the first time. Rotate here.
Holy. Felt good.
Alright, let's go ahead and relax for a second. On your right is locked up, so it's just not flexing back the way we need it to. Good.
Oh my god, fuck! That was scary as hell. Felt like I was possessed for a second.
Did you feel a release?
Yeah, I felt the relief. That just scared me for I had my eyes closed and open. I was like, oh fuck.
Where'd you feel it release?
Right here.
Right in the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
Feels good?
Yeah, it feels good.
I felt like I was possessed.
Thought they were dragging me through. Oh man.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
really
good.
funny. Good, lift the head a little bit. Good. Good, you can relax for a second.
How you feeling? Good?
I feel great. I feel readjusted.
Wrote a little verse about the art of chiropractic adjustments of the back. Got you feeling magic, feeling lit, feeling light, feeling fantastic. Wanna get cracked up? You can have it.